Have you ever considered the sheer transformative power that YouTube wields in today's digital era? It's not just a platform for entertainment, but also a powerful tool for information, learning, and even income generation. Imagine tapping into a platform that boasts over 1.7 billion unique monthly visitors, with a staggering 14.3 billion total visits per month. Yes, you heard it right. From this pool, what if you could attract just a fraction of those views to your channel? The potential to monetize through YouTube is invigorating to think about. YouTube has evolved into a multifaceted platform. From short, snappy clips on YouTube Shorts to in-depth live workshops on YouTube Live, it's a treasure trove of opportunities. And for those who prefer a more traditional approach, there are always the regular YouTube videos. But how can you leverage this platform to attract leads and gain traction? The key is engagement. Encourage your viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Each interaction counts. But the benefits don't stop at exposure. YouTube also allows you to earn passive income. Whether it's through YouTube ads, sponsorships, affiliations, or collaborations, the potential to earn is vast and varied. So how do you embark on this journey of creating a successful YouTube channel? It all starts with a topic. What are you passionate about? What can you talk about for hours? What can you teach? This could be anything from unearthing hidden stories from history, sharing unique insights about your country, or breaking down complex math problems. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and most importantly, consistency. But with the right approach and determination, you could be on the path to creating a channel that not only educates, but also entertains and inspires. So what are you waiting for? It's time to harness the power of YouTube. Start your channel today and embark on a journey of creativity, learning, and success.